Hello, I dum-dum make FPS controller.
Greetings, child. I'm here to assist you with my newest FPS TPS controller. You're not only just getting basic movement, but an advanced running mechanic with a working stamina bar, crouching with zones that prevent you from standing back up, and last but not least, the ability to pick up and throw objects around. And by pressing V, you can switch between FPS and TPS modes.
Wow, thanks. How can we get this?
Just get your mom's credit card and pay $66.99 free shipping, and sometimes it can even be an 80% discount. On a more serious note, this pack includes basic movement using the WASD keys, a crouch mechanic with the ability to block standing up music and trigger with the crouchZone tag, a sprinting mechanic with a working stamina bar, realistic jumping, the ability to pick up and throw objects, the ability to climb slopes and stairs, an audio manager component, clean and well-documented code. This should hopefully make your player's movement feel smoother and give your game a less cheap feeling. Enjoy! Also, you should definitely look at the how-to document and the comments left in the code, as the package has a lot of complex features that you may not be able to get immediately.